These books go here. This one goes in this section. And this one. Oh. I'll just take this home. Just a few more books left. Ah, there we go. Just need to put these in sci-fi and I should be done. Just need to grab this last novel. Now I just need to put this one away. Oh, hello there. Is there anything I can help you find? Any specific book or genre that piques your interest? Maybe I can give you some recommendations? Oh, you're looking for a romance book? I see you're romantic at heart, hmm? Well, cutie, I can show you to the romance section and you can pick from there. Oh, I just thought you would be a hopeless romantic. I rarely get many customers that look for romance that isn't a romantic. So, cutie, what are you in need of? We have a wide range of romance books. May I suggest Tale of Two Brides? Or maybe you're more into more of a silly romance, like Student and the Master? Ooh, or maybe my personal favorite, The Fox and Her 9 Tales of Love. Oh? You're looking for a romance dating book? My, what makes you interested in that? Is there someone you're interested in dating, perhaps? I'm only teasing you, sweetie. I'm sure there are plenty of people that would love to date you. You just got to find the right one. Here we are, cutie. The Hall of Romance. At least, that's what I like to call it. Here we have a massive collection of different romance genres. So feel free to look around or ask me for help, alright? You already have a book in mind? Goodness, I guess you really are a romantic at heart. Well, what book caught your eye, sweetie? Oh my. It seems my favorite romance book has stolen your heart. Going for a fox's love, aren't we? Well, cutie, lucky for you, we have a few copies of it. If I may ask, why that book? Don't get me wrong, it's very sweet and beautiful. I love the story and characters, especially the beautiful Kitsune. Oh, you want want it because I love it? My. It seems you have an affection towards this librarian, hmm? It always starts with one book. Oh, but I'm not upset, darling. More intrigued on how this little story of ours will go. So, tell me, kitty, why are you really interested in this book? Aw, you're flustered. Does this sweet librarian have a hidden charm she's using on you? Well, kitty, what if I told you that I know the author of this book? Oh, you're flustered even more. What's wrong, sweetheart? Fox got your tongue? Mm. Oh, sweetheart. Read who's the author. Unless, of course, you don't want to ruin the surprise. Besides, it makes it much less interesting of a chase when you know what's coming. What do I mean? Well, little one, foxes are predators. So that means you are my prey. Seeing as how you're so captivated by this book, I take it you accept my offer? What's my offer? Well, my dear human, it's to be my mate. I've been looking for someone to be my lover for a while now. So you see, my sweet and adorable darling have caught my eye. What if I told you this book was based on a true story? Of how a beautiful nine-tailed kitsune found love with an adorable human. She pampered them, loved them, cuddled them. How do I know that story? Because, sweetheart, I am the kitsune in the story. This book tells the story of my life many decades ago. I still cherish the memories today. Oh? You don't believe I'm a kitsune? Well, I am in my human form, so I can understand your skepticism. How about a deal? I'll take you back to my place and show you my kitsune form. And you get to keep that book and even be my lover. Is that a deal, sweetie? Or maybe this is all one big trick to make you look like a fool. What do you say? dare to follow a cunning fox to her den? I'm so happy you agreed. Well then, my dear, come along and I'll show you what I am. As a more tantalizing promise, I'll make sure to cuddle, love, and cherish you if you accept to be my mate. Welcome to my cozy den, my dear. Please make yourself at home and get comfortable. This is where I plan on pampering you and loving you for a very long time. Oh yes, sweetheart. I plan on making you feel so loved and cherished in my cozy home. They say when a kitsune's gaze lingers on someone with a loving heart, she will make sure to nurture them with all the love in the world. That's what drew my gaze. I saw a very loving person. You are such a loving, kind, and wonderful person. Underneath all this stress from the duties of work hides a kind and gentle soul that cries for love. So please, darling, let me give you all the love that you desperately need. Oh, don't worry, cutie. I remember our deal. I'll show you what a beautiful kitsune really looks like. Just try not to freak out, okay, sweetheart? Well, cutie, here I am. A nine-tailed kitsune, or a fox spirit, whatever you prefer. Notice my two fox-like ears that twitch at the slightest noise. My soft and beautiful brown fur like the common fox. And even my 9 beautiful and fluffy tails. Such a beautiful and alluring creature designed to give you all the love you seek. My, you look so precious right now. What's wrong? Fox got your tongue again? Well, sweetie, you don't need to worry about anything with me. I promise to give you all the love and comfort your heart desires. I do plan on fulfilling that promise to you, kitty. It only takes one tail at a time, my love. Why do I keep rubbing you? It's one of a kitsune's ways to show affection towards their mate. Plus, I see that it relaxes you a lot. So just lean into my arms and let me pamper you. Oh, sweetie, I could tell from the moment I saw you that you were so stressed. You looked so exhausted from today's events and in need of a soft touch. So please, my dear, lean into my arms and let me relax you. That's it, sweetie. Just sit beside me for a while. If you have any questions, I'll answer all of them. I'll even let you rest your head on my lap as you ask them. You can rest on my lap, my chest, or even just let me hold you against my fur. As long as you're comfortable and loved, that's all that matters to me, darling. That's it, sweetheart. You're safe here with me now, okay? Nothing will ever hurt you while you're in my arms. Just relax for me, alright? Why didn't I share my Kitsune form in the library? Well, sweetheart, I don't think the library would be as quiet if everyone knew I was a kitsune. Besides, I would rather keep my kitsune identity hidden for now. Why? Most people are scared of kitsune nowadays. They think we're so mischievous and dangerous to them just because we look different. We may have magical abilities, like making foxfire, which can bring harm. But most, if not all of us, just want to love and comfort someone that also loves us. Oh, sweetie, you might be right. Maybe once people come to understand us kitsune as just people looking for love, they'll be more accepting of us. Just like you are of me. Shh, no need to speak, my love. Just melt into my fur and relax for me, okay? I already know you trust and care for me just as much as I do for you. You look so cute melting into my fur. So cute and adorable in my arms. I could just hold you close to my chest and never let you go. Once a kitsune has found her lover for life, she keeps them close to her chest and wraps her fluffy tails around them, giving them soft kisses and keeping them safe and loved. Speaking of, why don't you play with my tails? They're so fluffy and extra soft to touch. You can play with them for as long as you want. Just feel their soft fur wrap around you and keep you all warm. let my tails caress your skin and melt away your stress. You have such a gentle touch, darling. So soft and gentle, just like your heart. I'm so glad I have you now as my lover. You're so perfect for me, sweetie. Just let me pamper and love you, sweetheart. Focus on the feeling of my tails caressing your skin. My fingers playing with your hair. Why don't I use two of my tails to caress and rub your ears? Shh, that's it, my love. Just melt for me and let the world fade away now. Let your mind drift into a state of tranquility and bliss. You look so cute melting into my fur. Such an adorable mate for me to love. Such a good lover for me. Maybe I should call you my good mate from now on. Such a good mate for your kitsune. Keep melting for me. Melt for your beautiful fox. You're such a good mate for me, baby. Oh my, I guess I forgot to give you my name, kitty. Apologies, my love. I should have introduced myself to you earlier. My name is Ein. What's yours, my love? Aw, that's such an adorable name. It fits you so perfectly. It just makes me want to hold you forever even more. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'll keep saying that to remind you just how much I cherish and love you. You're so special to me, my most precious treasure in the world. Shh. Everything is okay, my love. Stay here in my arms and let me take care of you. You're such a good mate for me. So sweet and so loved from your kitsune. Of course I want you to live with me, cutie. I want to hold you, to play with your hair, and to love you forever. Keep you safe in my fur, and have you melt into my fur for eternity. Please stay with me, kitty. Let me pamper and comfort you for the rest of our lives. Will you stay with me and love me the way I do for you? Oh, I'm so happy you said yes, my love. You've made me the happiest kitsune in the world. I promise to love you, cherish you, keep you safe and warm forever as my beloved human. Well then, my love, from tonight and for the rest of our lives, we are lovers for all eternity. I promise to make you feel so loved and cherished in my embrace. I love you so much, my beloved. I'm so happy to have you as my mate, my one and only. To have you in my arms is truly a blessing. Aww, my adorable mate is sleepy. I guess it is getting a little late for you. Why don't you sleep in my embrace for the night? I'll keep you warm and safe. Alright, my love, just close those pretty eyes of yours. Fall asleep in my soft and warm embrace. I'll keep you safe as you sleep, and my fluffy tails will keep you warm like the softest blanket. Fall asleep, my beloved mate. When you wake up, I'll be right here to pamper you, spoil you, and to give you all of my love and affection. Until then, my love, close your eyes and fall asleep. Oh, you are so adorable sleeping in my arms. I love you so much, sweetie. I love you so, so, so much. May you have the sweetest of dreams tonight as you sleep. Dream of your new life with your loving Kitsune librarian.